Alright, so I know we haven't made a video in a minute, but we back. This your girl Nene, aka Laquiqui.
It's your girl Carrie, aka Bonquiqui.
And we missed y'all.
Yes.
Like, yes. Alright, but
do right.
Alright, but we about to do the when Asiastar was talking about the
Mary J. Blige.
the
crispy
commercial.
chicken, the crispy chicken joint commercial at Burger King. Yeah, we're gonna do the song thing.
Alright, so I'm about to turn it on. Alright.
EA, my entire face got livid. How did none of that song go? Crispy chicken, fresh lettuce, 3 cheeses, ranch dressing wrapped up in lime, tasty flour tortilla. After watching that commercial, I vowed
We need to do it without her.
not to never.
Alright, so yeah, that was us doing the crispy
With
chicken
Asiastar.
store. Yeah,
And we're gonna do it without her.
yeah. Alright, so ready? And go. Crispy chicken, fresh lettuce, 3 cheeses, ranch dressing wrapped up in that tasty flour tortilla. Yup, didn't we kill it?
Yeah.
Alright, but we gonna see y'all another time.
Yeah.
Round.
Deuces.
Right.